Hello again, my little mathematicians. We're going to help you get started on B-33, which is adding and subtracting decimals with word problems, okay? So remember, whenever we're doing these, we always need to show our work on a separate sheet of paper, and I'm going to label it B-33, and then label your problems. We're going to do numbers 1 and 10 together, and then you guys are going to complete the rest on your own. Remember, if you think you know how to do it, you're always welcome to pause the video, try it on your own, and then unpause it and come back to check. Okay? So for number 1, it says a bicycle weighs 32.5 pounds. The box for it weighs 7.8 pounds. What is the total shipping weight for the bicycle and its box? Okay, so the total shipping weight, total usually means add. So I'm going to go ahead and add those. And I want to know the shipping weight for both the bicycle and the box. Well, the box for it weighs this much and the bicycle itself weighs this much. So I'm going to go ahead and add those two amounts together. So I'm going to take 32.5 and 7.8. And I'm going to add those together. So 5 and 8 is 13 plus 1. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 7 make 10. Carry the 1. 1 and 3 make 4. And then what did I forget? I forgot to bring down my decimal. So sometimes I suggest bringing down your decimal at the very beginning of the problem. Okay. I also should probably put my units. It weighs this many pounds. Okay, and let's box our answer. Now the worksheet itself, I'm going to put my answer of 40.3 pounds. LB is just an abbreviation for pounds, by the way. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 40.3 over here. That has IN next to it. So for 1, down at the bottom, I'm going to put IN because that was the answer I got. Okay, I also said that I would do problem 10 with you. So let's go ahead and take a look at problem number 10. Number 10 says US coins have precise measurements. For example, a quarter has a diameter of 24.3 millimeters and weighs 5.67 grams. A dime has a diameter of 17.9 millimeters and weighs 2.27 grams. What is the difference? That sounds important. In the diameters of these two coins. Okay, so difference means, what do you think? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Hopefully you said difference means minus. Okay, and I want to find the difference in what? The diameters. So I want to focus that the fact that it weighs 5.67 grams, right? Nope, that has nothing to do with the diameter. That is not important. Okay, what about the fact that it weighs 2.27 grams? Not important. Again, they were asking me about the diameter. So I'm going to focus on the two diameter amounts, which right here, it says it has a diameter of that and a diameter of this. Okay, so the two coins have those two diameters. What's the difference between them? So what should I do with those two numbers? Hopefully you said subtract. And does it matter which one goes on top and which one goes on the bottom? Yes, it does when you are subtracting. Is it this one minus this one because this came first? Well, it is this minus this, but not because this one came first. It's 24.3 minus 17.9 because the whole number of 24 is bigger than the whole number of 17. So let's go ahead, and this is problem 10. So let's label it problem 10. Your teacher does not want to play a guessing game trying to guess what problem this is. They do not like scavenger hunts. Please don't make them search for it. Okay, subtract. Now that we have it set up, double check. My decimals are lined up. The bigger whole number is on top. Let's go ahead and go. You can't take 9 from 3, so let's borrow. That becomes a 3. And now this is 13 minus 9, which is 4. Bring down your decimal. You cannot take 7 from 3, so let's borrow. That's a 1, and this is now 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is 6.4. We love to put units. What unit was this talking about? Millimeters. So on my paper, I showed my work. On the actual worksheet itself, I'm going to put my answer that I got of 6.4 millimeters. And to double check that I'm right, let's see if I can find it over here. Yes, I did. So BA, which problem do you think it's going to go for? Number 10. So on number 10, let's put BA. If you ever second guess yourself on what to do, of how to fill out the riddle, read the directions at the top, okay? You're going to go ahead and finish filling out this worksheet on your own, okay? Don't forget to check it online. Good job, my little mathematicians. You're almost done. You only have 8 more problems left if you were following along and did these 2 as well.